Whoa, that cargo drop was like the opening act. Then boom, the whole truck just rolled over like it was playing dead. Rescue attempt? More like a comedy of errors. It was so close. It seems like luck wasn't riding with the driver today. This crane was an absolute beast, lifting 80 tons at a time. I bet the demolition felt like closing a chapter of Bernie's history. Oh no, disaster on the highway. Those wooden planks just flew off the truck like missiles. Look at their focus. Teamwork never fails, even when the stakes are high. Whoa, that fuel tanker lit up like a fireball, but the driver bolted just in time. Talk about cutting it close. Seconds more, and it could have been a disaster. Did you see that? A tree just decided it wanted a new home, right on top of that roof. Talk about an unexpected house guest. The B-10 looked like it was on a smooth ride until it pulled off an unexpected stunt. Talk about a heart-stopping moment. The curiosity is killing me. Watching him fumble with that lawnmower is like a scene from an action movie. Will he make it or won't he? Well, it looks easy, but one wrong move and you're flipping like a pancake. What a lesson in load management and vehicle control. A thrilling showdown of might. The 160 iron and the Fiat 160/90 are battling it out like gladiators. I can hardly watch, it's that intense.
Louis! Oh, get up!
The Kirovets is in big trouble. It's stuck in a mound of snow. This is going to be a real challenge to rescue. Nice work, guys.
यार ये देखो यार ट्रक अब मशीन उतर रही है इसमें से अभी दिखाता हूँ आपको देखो यार ट्रक देख कैसे उतरती है यार
Too smooth. They handled everything with absolute professionalism. Okay, you can go. None damn. Damn, playing with fire. Today is a lucky day for the driver. Forget the gas station, folks. Looks like we've got a free-flowing fountain of fuel right here. Heavy load, steep hill, and then... whoops. That slide back must have been terrifying for the driver. It's a 6WD Risona. Did you hear that roar? That power stroke just went full beast mode. Sounds like it's ready to tear up the pavement. A few situations will leave you amazed. Man, exhaustion is no joke. 1 second he's dozing off and the next, bam, a whole shelf of goods comes crashing down. Oh my god! Well, that's one way to remodel. Trees smash the house perfectly. Talk about living on the edge. That truck could have easily slipped into an icy abyss. I was on board until I saw the dozer doing the pulling. Classic. The tension was palpable as the T-35.01 made its ascent onto the trailer. That level of precision? Unbelievable. Hats off to the crew for pulling it off without a hitch. Wood was everywhere when a truck lost control and overturned. Luckily, no one was injured. Bravo! It's not just skill, it's pure bravery to face a current like that behind the wheel. Do you find this performance impressive? Share your thoughts in the comments below. What's going on? If there was ever a perfect example of two hands are better than one, this is it. Teamwork really saved the day here. Forget luxury. Watch the Kamaz tackle a snow-covered, muddy road with relentless determination. This powerhouse defies the elements. What's next? The combination of that truck and the excavator in such a precarious position is almost cinematic. Let's hope they pull off a rescue before everything goes haywire. This truck's got some serious hang time. Somebody should hand it a trophy for best liftoff at the dock. That's not just skill, that's pure bravery. Watching that excavator descend had my heart in my throat. Talk about skill. That excavator gliding up the ramp looked like it was born to do this. Just wow.
Normal.